Good day guys, and welcome back to my channel today. So quick one, I actually analyzed this market in the past, and what I actually predicted was what this market did. Like I always used to say in my videos, I'm kind of used to this very pair, USDCHF. Okay, this is one of my favorite pair. You always respect my analysis and techniques of trading, right? So this is a daily time frame. I analyzed this market and I predicted that this buy is gonna take place from this point, from this very point to where it is right now. So the market is actually around this place when I actually analyze it. So you can actually see when market finished consolidating at this point, it broke out and it started making a higher highs from here, and it never returns back from there. So market get to this point, it started declining, it started coming down. So I'm going to be pointing my trend line because I don't really do much on my chart. If you have been following my video, you know that it's very easy for me to analyze the market. Like, it's not something that I actually bother myself about, okay, because I'm actually used to this very system. All right, so you can actually see we have an uptrend from this point. Market has been making a higher highs and higher lows, so it touches it here, which was the place that the market started going up from. Okay, it was making a higher high. It never come to test this trend line, but it tested it here, remember. So it now get to this point, it started doing as if it was gonna continue selling. Okay, it now came to touch this trend line here, it continues to go up. So when this market was going up, I said, okay, eventually this market is gonna find his way to this very trend line again before it continues going up. So I just plotted this trend line like this. Okay, so let me remove this. So when this market was making a lower lows and lower high from this point, I know it was gonna come to this very level before it to go up. Okay, so but meanwhile this market was actually around this zone, but I know this shoulder have been formed, and this is a head again, and this is another shoulder. I expect this market to actually drop, okay, before you can actually go up. So I never see this head and shoulder pattern violated like that. Okay, so when I see it, and remember this is on a daily time frame and market is bullish. Okay, so we're in a bullish trend, it's just finding its way to this very trend line. So I say, okay, if this market actually break this trend line and test it, then I'll now know that yes, that this market is going to continue going down. So I actually spotted this very resistance at this point. I said that if this market break it, as it broke it here, as market bounces off and go up here, I said if this market broke it and continue to go down from here, I know, okay, this market is going to continue going down. Okay, but look at what happened. Market just came and break it, do as if it was going to test it and drop. So after the two candlestick was declined from here, I know that this market is eventually going to continue going up, and lo and behold, that's what the market actually did. So I'm going to scale down to my 4-hour time frame. See the reason why it's very important for you to be very patient in the market. Like very patient. It's gonna help you a lot. Very patient. So I actually analyze this market. Sorry about that. So I actually analyze this market. I expect this market to buy from this very point that is here. Okay, look at this trend line. I expect this market to come around this place, somewhere here. I expect this market to buy from here, because the market was here and it was doing as if it was going to go up. I remember there is a double bottom here, so market was going up here. It will be thinking that this market was not going to come back, so it started declining from here. It started coming down. I said, okay, this market will eventually get to this level to test this very trend line before it goes up. Okay, and so many people are actually waiting for this market to come to this very level before they buy. All right, because you can actually see there is a support here. It tested it here, test here again, test this point, come to this very level again. So we're expecting it to buy from here, but look at what happened. Market came here and broke it all the way down, guys. Are you seeing that? Market broke it and come all the way down to this point. So now if you are buying this market from here, let's say you set your order here, eventually you would have been stopped out before this market actually move. Okay, so I actually spotted these very levels. I spotted this very level and I put my buy position here, this long position. This was how I did it, because normally when market respect this trend line, at times it normally broke it before it does any other thing. You break it before it to go up, and this very USDCHF, they know how to manipulate it. All right, just like GBP USD and Euro USD. Okay, so you can actually see that when market get to this level, it broke this trend line, and there is no structure that I was actually respecting here, guys. So if you say that, okay, let me use this very support that is at this point, let me use this support, you see that he actually broke it. All right, you see that the market actually broke it. And if you say that like you're going to use this very support that is here at this point, you see that market didn't actually get to this very level before it buy. All right, So this is where my techniques come in, whereby where people put their order, you just go below it. Where you are supposed to put your stop loss, you put your order there. This was how I got this Euro USD trade that I actually posted the video last time. Okay, that was my last video before this one. All right, so here is a support level, and many people will be coming to this level to buy this market, and which is fine. But if you want to set your order at this point, just look at where you are going to put your stop loss, which is probably around this place, because I normally risk like 16 or 17 pips. Okay, so when you put your order around this very resistance, around this very support that is here, if you put your order here, or you even come a bit slow down, sometimes market will not come down to trigger you in. But believe me, believe this thing I'm about to tell you right now, the best trade is always the hardest trade. Okay, if you see the biggest move in the market, you see the market tend to like stop a lot of people out before that market can actually go up. All right, it's as if it's not going to go up, but it's going to take a lot of people out of the market before it to go up. So what you're going to be doing at this point is to be very patient. When market get to such level, you place your order right below here and trust that market is going to come there, and it's going to do that. It's something I know. You can actually give it a try and practice it. Okay, so instead of you setting your order here, you come a bit slow down here and you set your order here. Eventually it's not going to hit your stop loss. All right, so when market come to this level now and you set your stop loss here and you set your entry here, and if market come and trigger you in and here and decide to drop more, that means this trade is not for you. All right, and it's going to be a good loss. All right, because it's most likely to be a sniper trade. All right, because once market trigger you in, it will just go up, because when as it is pushing down, it's actually looking for people's stop loss. And once it finishes taking that stop loss, market will move backward. And that was what market actually did for this place. Are you seeing it? So it's very, very important. So when this market was here, you can actually go and watch my last video that I did. Market was around this place when I made this video. I said that this market is, unless it comes to this trend line that is at this point, otherwise I'm not trading. Okay, and I waited. This market took like 3 days before it actually come to this very level that it is now. It took like 3 days. But look at what happened after that. Market continued to go up and never turn back again. You see, 172 pip. Anyway, I'm not going to be holding this trade if I'm to be taking. If I didn't be, I executed this trade because I actually took Euro USD trade and I made some profit. All right, so I probably may be taking like my 30 pip, normal 30 pip. I don't even do more than that, 30 pip or even 28 pip, and I'm out of the market. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy this very video. The key and the lesson that you should learn from this video is to always be patient, guys. To always be patient. Always be patient and wait for the market to give you what you want. If you don't really understand what you are doing, then it's time for you to, give yourself time to, master this craft, like learn this skill. Let it be that is something that you are expecting from the market whenever you come to market to trade. Okay, this was how I was able to cut this very trade. Now you can actually see there is a sharp resistance. Yeah, there is a sharp trend line from this level. Okay, there is a trend line here, and market has been downtrending from here. It was coming down, and again, guys, this was why I actually said that this market is going to go up in the first place. Look at this. There is a gap up here, guys. There is a gap up here, and anytime that you see such gap here in the market, anytime that you see such gap, this very gap that is here, just be rest assured that market will eventually go and close the gap. There's no way it's not going to go there. Just find a level that you're going to join the market when it will be traveling to go and cover that gap, because market must go and cover it before anything will happen. All right, so this one took how many days? Let me put my session break. Beautiful. Look at this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 trading days, guys, before this market actually close. If you're not experienced, this thing will seem like joke, but these are the things that is going to be helping you, because whenever you see such gap in the market, you will just find a level that you're going to be joining this market, because eventually this gap must be closed. Okay, this very gap is on your MT5 or MT4, whichever platform you're using to trade. This gap might have been created, and this is where market, there is no order to fill it. So eventually market, this candlestick will create and is going to fill it up. Okay, this was what happened. So remember, look at when this gap up actually was created, market continued to go down. it continue to go down. It never goes up. I didn't be go up for this place and close it. Then this market may just continue to go down from here. But look at market continue to go down without closing this very order that is here. That was the reason why I tell you that this very support here is likely to move this market up. And if I'm to be setting my order at this point, at this very setup, I should be putting it around this place and putting my stop loss below here, aiming to join the market till we cover this place. All right, even though I may not be holding the trade up to this level. All right, but eventually I know that market, because this is what market always do. All right, market always come to cover this gap before any other thing, guys. So I hope you guys were able to catch something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, like this video and follow me for more content like this. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace, love you all.